welcome to Jainam Software. In this video, I am going to explain the short amount feature. Okay, so basically this feature is used if there is some amount missing which is collected by staff. For example, your staff goes for collection and there is a collection of 400 rupees, but he collects only 350 rupees and the customer has to still pay him 50 rupees. So he's short of that 50 rupees. So this amount can be added and it can be tracked and updated. So whatever amount that is missed by the staff at the time of collection can now be tracked using this feature. So let's see how that can be done. So for that you need to go to collection by staff, refresh this report. See, there is already 50 short here. So let me just click on this name link. When you go down, you will see for loan number 35, 50 rupees is still short and that needs to be collected. Now here for 36 also, loan number 36, say for example, here also this customer has not paid 100 rupees. So that specific account of the amount of 100 rupees is missing. So you can just enter that amount and save it here, close it, just refresh this. So you will see now the amount short for this particular customer is 150 rupees. So still 150 rupees recovery needs to be done. Okay. So when you click on this name, you will see, so for loan number 35, 50 rupees is short, and for loan number 36, 100 rupees is short. So whatever this missing amount is, it can be tracked, and when recovered, whenever you recover this 150 rupees in the future, it can be updated back here. Okay. So friends, this way the concept of short amount works in Jainam Software. We are coming up with a lot of new features, a lot of new updates, and we're also posting a lot of new videos on YouTube. So friends, do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, and please do check all our videos, because there are so many new things that we are coming up with. Thank you so much for watching this video and have a nice day.